indicating the engine has failed. We're under his car out of the way, and Raikkonen's car too. Raikkonen's chances of winning it was spoiled when the safety car was deployed because he hashed out because both of them had to come in order not to lose time and track position. And now set for certainly a chance to win it.
Down, stop the air going through the tyre. What's happening to Raikkonen? It's slow running.
He missed the chance of winning the World Championship. He'd already put his thoughts about what do you know about this situation.
All of the cooling was just so tight.
Yeah, did they fuel it?
It's a very low incident that makes its way back.
Only by a fraction from Michael Schumacher, who's down in 7th place, got a lot of time to fight.
There is Kimi Räikkönen. He's not even gone back to the paddock. He's got his shirt off. He's on his boat, which has a splendid name, One More Toy.